Okay, here's a simple one. Sounds of Silence. An honor, a tribute to our silent staff meetings of this year. Hello, Shepherd, my old friend. I've come to staff meeting again. Though the agenda looks quite compelling, though the content might even help me, though you and I are friends, please don't take it personally. I brought the sounds of silence. Said I, you do not know. Silence means I can go home, and I can train you on whatever I want, on Common Core, autism, even trauma. I can nurture it hard your asses till the last cow's in the barn. Bring it on. Sounds of silence.